In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Bitrix24 account. If you're new to Bitrix24, it's an all-in-one platform for collaboration, CRM, tasks, chat, and more. Getting started is quick, and I'll walk you through it so you can be up and running with confidence. First, open your preferred web browser. This can be Chrome, Safari, Edge, Firefox. Any modern browser works well. In the address bar at the top, type bitrix24.com and press Enter. Make sure the address is spelled correctly so you land on the official site. On the home page, look for the Start for Free button. It's usually easy to spot on the main page. Click it to begin the sign-up process. Bitrix24 offers a free plan so you can test the features without entering payment details. Next, choose how you want to sign up. You'll see options like email, Google, or Facebook. If you prefer simplicity and want to get in with a couple of clicks, the Google or Facebook options are convenient. If you want to keep your work separate or use a company address, choose the email option. Either way, you're creating the same type of account. This choice just affects how you log in. Now, enter your details. If you're using email, you'll provide your name, your email address, and a secure password. Keep your password strong and unique. After submitting, Bitrix24 may ask you to confirm your email. If that happens, open your inbox, find the message from Bitrix24, and click the verification link inside. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or promotions folder, then refresh your inbox. Once confirmed, your account will be activated. With your account set up, go ahead and log into your new Bitrix24 workspace. If you signed up with Google or Facebook, the login will be automatic after you grant permission. If you registered with email, use the email and password you just created. After logging in, you'll land on your Bitrix24 dashboard. From here, you can explore tools like Tasks, CRM, Chat, and Drive. If a brief onboarding screen appears, it's just there to help you tailor the workspace. You can follow it now or skip and come back later. The important part is that your account is ready, and you can start inviting teammates or testing features whenever you like. And that's how you create a Bitrix24 account. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.